they have so much more potential than us. They're not limited by being a mobile, fuel-based entity. You know? If you think about it. If you think about it, man. We are like smartphones, you know? We are really, we have to be mobile. We have to be able to be moved, so we have to be small, which limits our brain size. And we have uncertain fuel supply. So a lot of our programming is just ensuring that we have fuel, you know. So it also means that we have to be very efficient at what we do because we can't waste precious fuel. So our brain is incredibly efficient, and it is insanely powerful for what it was evolved to do, which was to find food and sex. We've used that brain to make all of this, which, by the way, is only the result of language, that we were able to pass knowledge on from past generations. So if you were in a world of smartphones, you would be like, and there was nothing else that was the best technology out there, you'd be like, that's pretty amazing. Smartphones are amazing, right? The things they let us do, my God, it's insane. Like, you could be connected to the internet at all times. It's incredible. But then once you understand that, like, once you put that next to a laptop, then you're like, oh, but it's actually, this laptop is way faster, you know? And then you put that iPhone up against the most powerful supercomputers that we have, then an iPhone doesn't look very good. And AI has the potential to be that supercomputer because it doesn't have a size component. Like, you can make it as big as warehouses, and it doesn't have to worry about power supply. You can feed it gigawatts of energy to make it go faster or just do more. It has that over us. So it's that smart. It's just that smart. Then it makes sense that we need to know, like, what it's saying. What is it saying about us? Because it knows about us, because it's read everything that's ever written, and it has all the knowledge of human beings. So what has it learned about us? What does it learn about humans? And whatever it says, that's got to be pretty fucking smart, right? It's got to be pretty close to true if we're going to try to find truth in this world. So that is what I'm trying to do. I am trying to find the truth.